Hi everyone, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. My name is Candace St. James. Thanks for coming back. And in this tutorial, I've kind of actually got the idea to go ahead and stack some eyelashes. I know that there's a few queens out there who do that. I actually am really excited. I've never tried it before. I typically wear like one or maybe two lashes at once. I've never tried like 13, 12, 10. I know there's some queens out there that have done quite a bit with that, and so I want to go ahead and try it for the first time. I think it'd be kind of fun. You know, we're in quarantine, right? So we can't really do too much. So we're gonna go ahead and do that today. I'm gonna show you how I do mine. Before we get started, please like, comment, and subscribe, and click the bell button at the bottom of the screen. And on top of that, if you don't like this video, I'm sorry, but please like, comment, and subscribe, and click the bell button at the bottom of the screen. Let's get fabulous! Oh God. Hold on. Let's get fabulous! So these are my crusty ass eyelashes. Ew, disgusting. Ugh. But that's the purpose of why we're here. We're gonna throw this shit out and we're gonna totally make some new ones. This is what we're working with. So throw those old ass ones out, and then to start, we're gonna go ahead and use a bunch of eyelashes. You can use, you want some high quality ones, and you also want some ones that you get that are just like really crappy because you can mix them in. And so what we do is we go ahead and we glue down two pairs of eyelashes together. And we're gonna go and glue them at the very top one. We're just gonna glue them together. And then basically with all these other layers, we're just gonna flare them out. We're gonna glue them down a little bit lower until we get about midsection. The lashes I do actually wear are 301s. That's what I do prefer. And so some of these shipments I've gotten with these old eyelashes that look less quality or they don't look as good, I actually got on a wrong order one time. I ordered a set of 301s and then I got a cheaper set in return, and I was not happy for it, but I couldn't send it back because it was off like Wish or something like that, or some stupid site like that. So I just kept them and I never wore them. So use your old lashes and you can mix them in and make these really pretty lashes with them. And so we're just going to go a little bit lower, and we're going to kind of start the fanning out process. And we kind of want to use these lower quality ones, and we want to kind of just blend them into the actual eyelash. I feel like that's actually better, so you can put them on the sidelines, because you're going to have to blend all the edges around. And so I've always used them in the middle, and then once you get to the midsection, they do conceal pretty good. And so, you know, don't even worry about getting lower quality lashes or whatever. I'm using really low quality ones here, and it's not a bad idea because they actually will make a very pretty lash. And you just want to keep going ever so slightly lower and then blending all edges in. The only reason why is when you get to the midsection, then you're going to start a process of blending it back up and going back up to the actual lash line. And so that's what we're doing, is we're going to be concealing it through. We're going to go back in and we're going to conceal everything. At this point, we've gone down as far as we actually wanted to, and so now we're going to start going back up. I mean, it doesn't really matter if you want to go ahead and go down further. You can, by all means, you can go ahead to get even some more super effects. I'm gonna continue back to my upper lash, the real lash line, and we're gonna start concealing everything. As we continue on this, we want to also go ahead and keep in mind that you could do a lot more things that can increase the drama in your eyelash, for instance, because your eyelashes are the things that are going to go and give us the most drama. They're going to bring everything to life. So you can add, like, they make construction paper eyelashes, and so you can go ahead and add some of those in there for even a more dramatic effect. Or if you want to go ahead and be a blingy queen, or somebody that likes a lot of rhinestones and diamonds, you can go ahead and glue those in too, so people can see sparkle and stuff like that, so they can draw attention to your eyes. There's so many things that you can actually do with eyelashes that just increase everything, and literally the limit is no end. You can do whatever you want with eyelashes because they're only going to draw attention to your eyes. So my advice to when you're doing drag for the first time, or whenever you're doing a show, just have fun with it. That's the best thing that I can honestly say. You can go ahead and do so many creative things, and it's just best to just have fun with it, because that's where it's not going to seem like a chore. It's just going to be fun. and don't necessarily focus on winning. I mean, yes, be competitive, but at the same time, just always be humble, always be excited, always be excited to learn new things. I've never done this before, but we're doing it, and just have fun with it. That's all you can do. That's all the drag can really do, is just have fun with it. And now we're down to our last pair in our boxes that we have that we're going to be getting rid of, and we're going to be making into a new thing. And this actually took about 30 minutes to make. It's not really a long thing, but it's a thing to do on a rainy day or whatever, you know. But I'm actually really excited about these because these are really, really full lashes, and I'm actually really enjoying them, and they're actually really heavy. If you pick them up, you can actually feel them. They feel like a very heavy feather, and so I can't wait to go stick these on my eyelids. And we're back, and look at my eyes. What do you see? Do you see anything awesome? I actually really like these lashes. I didn't think I would. I normally typically wear like 2, maybe 3 pairs at one time. I don't do anything too extravagant. Only reason why is because I want to see my eye makeup, because I get proud of my eye makeup. And so that's one thing that you kind of miss a little bit from doing a multiple stack eyelash like this, like 15 pairs. But at the same time, what I really do like about it is it actually goes ahead and makes you look younger, like a younger queen. And so for that reason, I kind of do like it, because I am not a 20-something-year-old queen. I am a 30-something-year-old queen. I'm now kind of actually liking this look, and they're heavy. They do feel heavy on your eyelids. I'm gonna probably end up going to weave bonding glue, only because I feel like they would hold a little bit better than regular eyelash glue, because you are carrying so much weight on your eyes, and that's a very sensitive area. So I would go, I mean, I'm actually in love. I actually really do love how this looks. And so I'm gonna go ahead and continue these eyelashes all the time. And so super excited. So Trixie, you did make a #1 fan out of me. Thank you guys so much for coming back to my channel. Make sure you guys hit like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that like button, because I can't talk. So, so hit that like button, and I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you. Bye. Let's get fabulous!